ब्रेक के बाद एक और बड़ी खबर। इंडियन आर्मी ने पाकिस्तान को 2 टूक चेतावनी दी है। अगर कोई गड़बड़ी हुई तो 1971 से भी बुरा हाल किया जाएगा। ऐसा हाल करेंगे कि पीढ़ियां याद रखेंगी।
Pakistan or ISI, they will attempt to do whatever is within their capabilities, in spite of their poor economy, their poor diplomatic standing in the world community, in spite of their military being at a place wherever it is, in spite of the political turmoil which they have within the country. I am not going into that because that's not my domain. Now coming back to Pakistan Army, ISI, let them try anything. They will be befittingly replied to and replied to in the manner which the generations to come will remember. This has been told by the Honorable Defence Minister. This has been told by my Chief of Army Staff. This has been conveyed firmly by my Army Commander. And I again on behalf of Indian Army can confirm to you Pakistan Army will be taught a lesson which they would have never understood, probably better than 1971. Thank you.
एक ब्रेक का वक्त है। ब्रेक के बाद आज की 100 नई और बड़ी खबरें, एक भी खबर छूटेगी नहीं।